Henry Crew and I'm here today with Vines of Guildford in the beautiful Surrey countryside. I'm going to be test riding a bike from the Heritage Collection and from the Adventure Collection. We've got the Option 719 R90 and we've got the 40th Anniversary Edition 1250 GS. I'm really excited to see what these bikes are about as I've never ridden a BMW motorcycle before. So yeah, let's get out on the road and have some fun. Foot on the sky and a foot on the road. I'm not doing this to try to make a name. I just like the way it feels on me, the way it looks on me. Still got the fire when you try to be a flood, 'cause I like the way it feels on me. That little rise, your blood. I hear your secrets, I know your plans. Ain't no way out without your blood on my hands. I talk to demons, I scream your name. They always say the best for. So my initial impressions, I've been surprised by both bikes. For a retro bike, the R90 is super comfortable. I've been in the saddle for quite a few hours today, and it still feels like I've only been on it half an hour. The engine is really torquey and packs a really good punch, and it just handles really well as well. The GS has really surprised me. I thought it would feel really heavy and be quite cumbersome to maneuver, but as soon as you get going, you don't notice the weight at all. It's all really low down. The Akrapovic exhaust sounds incredible, and I love the 40th anniversary paint scheme. So yeah, both bikes have really impressed me. I'm quite smitten with the GS at the moment. Hundreds in a holy war, just a backseat driver flying undercover. Different faces, but they're always the same. Say they'll make you a star if you'll just. I've had so much fun on both of these bikes today. They really offer something different, and they've both surprised me a lot. They're not what I thought they would be at all. The GS is way more nimble, it feels lightweight and planted. I even got it on a couple of green lanes and I thought I was going to be all over the place, but it actually felt great. It's super comfortable. The heated seat and heated grips have been fantastic. I love the user interface. The engine is super powerful. If I was going to be touring through Europe or riding bike on a regular basis, or just wanted to be comfortable and still have that performance, this is that all-round bike which I would go for. I've ridden quite a lot of retro bikes, and the R90 has offered something different from a lot of other bikes on the market. It still brings that comfort and the German engineering that you expect from BMW. The engine is super punchy, the seating position's really comfortable, and it's really great to have those rider modes as well. I've been riding this bike all day. It handles fantastically on motorway or on the back roads in the twisties. Yeah, really impressive. I think this would be my Sunday weekend bike. Special occasions and summer riding, I'd choose this all day long. I've had a really great time on both of these motorcycles. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.